Okay, my name's Brett Matich. I'm CEO and President of Max Resource. We're a Canadian listed company on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Our code is MXR. Yeah, we operate out of Colombia. Our project is 100 kilometres southwest of Medellin in Colombia. It's the Choco Belt. We have gold, copper and platinum. Our gold platinum, there is a historical 1.5 million ounces of gold, 1 million ounces of platinum. That's pre-production. We are looking at the underlying hard rock. We had a huge success in February of this year with a gold discovery. Our land package is over 2,000 square kilometres in that area. And then adjacent to the north, we have what we call North Choco, which is gold copper. That's about 1,000 square kilometres in area. We're surrounded by Anglo-Ashanti and Continental Gold. There's a lot of history there. There's been no exploration completed there since 2005 by Anglo Gold, and they couldn't return. We did an acquisition where there was an agreement done with Indigenous groups there. Right now we are doing a 10-week exploration campaign there, and we should have results coming out as of next week and weekly. So the company started trading in January of 2019. We had a share price range of between 12 cents and as high as 50 cents. A lot of that volume came off the gold discovery, which we had. Since then, we did a new acquisition, which was 2 weeks ago, which is the North Choco copper gold. I've been involved in a number of projects from exploration through to production. One of those was an Australian company called Aztec Resources. We went from a 1 million market cap to a merger at 300 million over 4 years. I tend to look at projects that have already got some type of deposit that looks like the upside. On the ground, we have an exploration team that was established previously. Right now in, say, North Choco, we have a field team of some 60 odd people, a mixture of local, because it's an Indigenous area, and Colombian exploration head. Our head geologist runs out of Canada. He's here. His name's Tim Henneberry, and we have a lot of backup through Colombia in relation to the project that was established back in 2011. The founder was a person named Bill Hayden. Bill Hayden was the founder or co-founder of Ivanhoe Mines, and he is a current director. And he is a visionary in looking at areas, which he did with Ivanhoe. One of those areas was Platte Reef. It's the lowest cost platinum mine, or will be the lowest cost platinum mine in the planet. And Kamal, which we all know is, I think it's 1.7 billion tonnes of copper going 2.5%. He looked at this area where we are, this Choco area. The whole belt is extremely underexplored. And that's a lot of that is basically because of access over the years, and that's changed. There's been a lot of interest by major companies coming in there. Newmont Mining put in $175 million into Continental Gold. You've got Fortescue Metals from a huge Australian company. They've capped about 15 billion. Anglo-Ashanti already there. You've got South 32, which is an arm of BHP. And a lot of reasons that's happening in Colombia is because of opening up new government, huge structure part of mineralised structure that goes through South America. And one of the very few areas is in South America that gives this type of opportunity. Yeah, Alpha one-to-one mining is my first one here in Singapore. I'm also doing one next week in London, and also the one in New York. I like the one-to-one conferences because you're doing face-to-face with sophisticated investors and financiers. Uh, I also use it as when I'm, for example, Singapore or London, I'm not just doing one-to-one. So one-to-one for a couple of days gives me a base, and then I go and see other financiers and investors over that period of time.